Today we're going to work on text features on page 31 of your Grab and Go. Text features is an informational skill, and the two secure skills with text features is to be able to interpret the text features. So examples of these would be headings, graphics, charts, timelines, and diagrams. And another would be to make connections between the information that's in the text, in the main paragraphs, and in the text features. So this would be not only within a single article, but also using multiple sources of information and putting it together. So here we have some vocabulary. Source is a book or document used to provide evidence and research. Interpret is to explain the meaning of the information. And a digital source would be an electronic form of text or information. So this would be things like web pages, a electronic document, an app, a program. Those would be digital sources. This article is on landforms that are in the Northeast. So it has a title, Landforms in the Northeast, and then it has headings, Appalachian Mountains, Coastal Plain, Rivers and Lakes, and those are sections that are different landforms in the Northeast, but it breaks it down so that we can see the different parts. Go ahead and take a minute to read the main text in this passage. In addition to the main paragraphs of information, there is then also a graph that is down here that focuses specifically on the Appalachian Mountains. So it talks about the elevations and regions of the Appalachian Mountains, and it gives you not only their titles, but shows you how high it is in each area. So there's thousands of feet above sea level here, and it shows the different parts. So when we're looking at text and graphic feature skills, the first thing that we can look is we can make a connection from the main text to the graphic features. So I want you to fill that in right there. So this paragraph and the graphs go together. Then after we've made that connection, we can then make a statement about what is provided in the text and the graphic features. And what it's telling us is that the Appalachian Mountains are one of the major landforms in the Northeast, along with the coastal plains, rivers, and lakes. And then to know whether we should trust this information or not, this graph actually has a caption. The Appalachian Trail goes the length of the mountain range. Hikers can hike for a day or the whole distance over a number of months. And the location on the internet where this graph is from. So that right there is a digital source. So we can fill that in. There is a digital source of the graph itself. We need to make sure this is a skill. This is a skill that we will use time and time again throughout the year. So this is something that you need to be comfortable with, being able to read what is in the main text and understand it, and then connecting it and using all of the things that are provided in the text features.